Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. In today's episode of Coffee in the Sun, I want to show you a very unique way to brew your coffee. All you need is good water, a French press, some good coffee, somewhere to heat the water, and most importantly, a car. Start by filling this with water. You want about 1.5 cups. And then place this on a hard surface in your car. I'm going to be using this pan. Carefully shut the door and wait about half an hour. The summer sun in the windows in the car will act like a greenhouse, creating a greenhouse effect, effectively heating your water to almost boiling temperature. Alright, let's come back and check after half an hour and see what we get. So as you can see, the water did get very hot, and this is actually hot enough to make your coffee. So go ahead and bring this bad boy inside. We already have the French press set up with about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Pour your car heated water into the French press and mix. Cover it up and wait your 3 to 4 minutes. Let this brew. After about 3 or 4 minutes, go ahead and press it down and pour it into your favorite mug. So remember, the summer sun is nothing to be tested. The internal temperature of a car parked in the sun can get hot enough to brew coffee. Java Nuts, in the summer, the car acts like a solar oven. Please double, triple check that no child or pet is left in the car, not even for a minute.